Hi hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe and healthy. So today, I'm just gonna be really quick. I'm gonna show you guys, my mom gave me this idea and I have been really hesitant, I think I said before, to pick up snacks. No, I haven't uploaded that video to pick up snacks or granola bars or crackers or cookies or stuff like that for my family. They love the sneak snack. And I know if it ever was a food shortage or something, or we just couldn't get to the store, they will probably have a fit. So that's probably why right now I've been picking up those cake mixes, muffin mixes. Probably need to pick up maybe some cookie mixes. I don't know. I hate making cookies, y'all, because the batter is so thick. So anyway, you have that one right there. He's popping the bubbles for me because it takes up so much room in the trash can. So I ordered these 2 Foot Lockers from Walmart. This is the best time to get them. I think it may be the only time they have them at Walmart. They're only $16 and some change. I want to say only, y'all, so let me stop saying that. They were $16 and some change. They're about Sterilite, and they I thought I'll be fine with one, but just in case. So what I'm gonna do is I ordered a lock, and I think it's over here. I was getting ready to organize their school stuff on this table. I told them to bring some stuff down, so let me get the lock and show you. But I ordered the lock to put on here, and my mom gave me this idea of either putting it up or hiding it, or she may say get a locker and lock it up. So that's what I'm gonna do, because they have bottomless pits in my house, and they will, like, even if, I think I did put some graham crackers up, but that's because they don't see them. If they see them, like the cereal, like I said, y'all, cookies, chips, granola bars, like I know even my husband, he loves to work out, but he will come down here and he will just eat the chips or the grapes, or even though that's better for you, because it's sitting on the counter. I'm like, why? You should only eat if you're hungry. And sometimes I wish I had his metabolism, because yeah, just only eat it when you're hungry. Hold on, y'all. Or if you just want the snack, not just because, you know, I'm cooking dinner and you're standing there talking and you're gonna open up some chips and just mindlessly eat. That just gets me. But anyway, y'all, I did get some of these locks, and I'm putting on my key ring, and hopefully they won't get so desperate, because they will. And put it on here to put this food on. So that came yesterday. I think it was like $9 or $10 on Walmart.com. You guys check your stores, but I know they were limited in the black lockers. They may got more in stock, I don't know. And then I did get the food dehydrator. I really wanted this for onions because I love onions. I know it's a recall on them right now. I think Trail said they pulled all those, so it's not all the stores, it's just certain brands or something, but I haven't been to the store to know if they pulled everything everywhere. So I did get this. This one only has like the 3 trays. It's Presto brand. So I was in Walmart one day, and I did see some dehydrators, and I didn't know if I should have got it or not. It was like the last one, and then I was surprised to find one online. So I'm glad I did find a dehydrator. So if you guys have a dehydrator, what is your favorite thing to dehydrate? I'm new with this. I definitely wanted to do onions, and I think this one can expand up to 8 trays. So, oh yeah, it has 4 trays in it. So it was a little bit more the more trays you got, and I said 3 will be fine as a beginner. Yes, baby.
What's some dehydrated?
It dries out your food, like fruits, vegetables, meats. Any more questions? No. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. That's how desperate I am, or you know, to lock up stuff, because they will eat the items. I guess I can open it up and show you. And then I made an Instacart order, and I should just went to the store, but I'm trying not to go out to the store as much. I haven't even been couponing as much because I just haven't felt like it, y'all, because it just takes up so much of your time, even though the more you do it, the less time it takes. But I have other stuff to do during the week than just to go do the coupon sales. So this is what it looks like on the inside, y'all. And I'll see if I can find a link and put it down below for you all. If you want to do that. I might been fine with one of them. And I got the plastic because I just wanted to be easier for me to move instead of the, you know, the heavy ones. So I got some ranch potato chips. These are the only potato chips I got. They're going in the locker. I got 2 of those. Hold on, y'all. Really quick, the little haul that I ordered from Aldi. I should have went myself because it would have been cheaper. Should have went myself, but I had to do some stuff. Okay, y'all, so I got 2 of these. These will not see the light of day. Like, all of them will be gone. All of them will be gone, like, tonight or by the morning. So I'm definitely hiding this, and I need to hurry up because my husband doesn't eat these, but he might eat something. I didn't even get his kind of cookies, but I had to get his from Dollar Tree because I haven't been able to find them at Aldi lately. Just the duplex. He likes the vanilla sandwich cookies, y'all. He's obsessed. Oh, cool. Okay, y'all. So they had the baby whole kosher deals, and I ordered 3 of them. I did go to Harris Teeter, and I picked up some. They were high, even their brand. But I picked up 3 of them to put in my stockpile. And then I needed some waffles. So when I went grocery shopping the last 2 times, I forgot waffles for Saya. He loves waffles. And then some more grits. And then I got some of these Chewy chocolate chip granola bars. I picked up, I thought I ordered 2 because they're only like 105. But that's okay. I'll pick up a little bit at a time. And with these items, y'all, I'm not worried about the expiration date because we go through these really quickly. Like if they know this stuff is in there, like I'm gonna have to hide my keys. That's what I'm gonna have to do. So the Chewy granola bars, Josiah loves these. I love them too. Oh, I did get 2 chocolate chips. Did I not get? Go on back in there and sit down, cuz. Thank you. And then I got some Chewy variety pack chocolate chip with these. I thought I got 2 of them. Unless they only have 1. I don't know. Here's the other cashew. And then I'll, you know, add more and more. And then, of course, I want to go to Sam's or BJ's, or you guys get the point, Costco, or to Walmart and see what's next. They don't really care for these, but if they're hungry, they'll eat them. I mean, they do care for them, but they will eat them, but they don't eat them as fast as everything else. So the fruit and grain granola bars, not granola bars, cereal bars. So I got apple and strawberry. They also have blueberry, but I didn't get them. The chocolate chip Chewy dip chew. JJ loves these. I like them too. JJ loves these. I think everybody likes them except probably Jason. Oh, I got 2 of these. I didn't get any peanut butter, but that's okay. Then I got 2 of the country style baked beans. People just leaving stuff. And then 2 of the ranch chips. So anyway, I'm going to wipe this out with some wipes, and I'm getting ready to lock it up, y'all. Lock it up. Okay, y'all, so that's it for today's little haul. Let me know if you have any snacks or comfort foods in your stockpile or preps, and I would love to know what they are. So thanks so much. Or how are you keeping your stuff from your family? Or are you just keeping it out of sight, out of mind, in a cabinet? Let me know. Or if you have a cabinet that locks, I love to know, y'all. All right, bye.